Hi everyone, welcome back to TalkingArmas. In today's demonstration, we will be unboxing a brand new Magpul RVG vertical foregrip. Let's begin. Ordered this attachment a few days ago as a part of a Mother's Day gift basket I was making for my wife. The grip texture has a nice gritty firm feel to it and has a reputation for allowing use of the thumb brake method. The brand website mentions it has a high-strength polymer construction, and I have to say, it doesn't feel like a cheap chunk of plastic. As for mounting options, a universal mounting assembly is included with this package. Here are the screws. A neat detail Magpul did with these is include its brand name on the screw heads. Made here in the USA. As for the required tool, a flat head may help, but for a secure fit, a size H 3.0 torque bit should do the trick. I don't know the reason behind this hollow open design. A cap probably would have been nice for extra storage. Let's go ahead and see if a flathead can do the trick, in case some of y'all happen to be missing the required torque bit. Yep, very easy to unscrew and slide out. Let's take out the base slot and mounting rail and have a closer look at each of these. First, the universal mounting rail. Feels like the same material as the grip. I have no need for this, but someday I may have a rifle we can install this on. Here's the base lock. Helps lock the grip onto any 1913 Picatinny rail. Let me go ahead and show y'all how by installing it on a detachable rail I have here. Simply place the grip onto the rail like so. Snap on the base lock. Align the grip so that the torque screws can enter the Picatinny rail with ease. After the screws are slid in, tighten them down for a secure fit. Very great handle with this product. It definitely is going to work great specifically on the rifle I'm installing this on. Let's take it all apart and see what we initially ended up receiving from this product. We got the obvious product box, vertical foregrip, universal mount rail, screws, and washers, 1913 Picatinny base lock, and the torque screws. Very simple unboxing here. The product looks promising. I'm really excited for a video we are working on this week demonstrating 2 tactical builds involving all of these goodies I've been unboxing these past few months. So stay tuned for more content coming soon. In the meantime, I want to thank y'all for checking out our channel, TalkingArmas. Hope some of our videos help out in any way possible. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments regarding this foregrip. Have a great day, and as always, safe shooting!